Friends, today we are going to discuss 5 keys to a positive personality. Positive personality has the highest or the maximum impact on the success and happiness that we attain in our lives. Just as we have diet for our body, and if we give good diet to our body, it provides us energy, it keeps us healthy, we sleep well at night, and at the same time we live a very long and disease free, trouble free life. In the same manner, the kind of mental diet that we consume, it decides what kind of a personality we are. If we give good mental diet to our mind, the good mental diet means positive thoughts, positive conversations, and positive information. And if we do so, we become influential, we become persuasive in our lives. At the same time, we gain lot of self-confidence and self-esteem. Friends, here let us be very clear that there is a lot of difference between self-confidence and ego. There is a lot of difference between self-esteem and arrogance. Whereas self-confidence and self-esteem are positive traits and they are constructive, on the other side, ego and arrogance are negative traits and they are very destructive. Now, if we take one single decision that we are going to take complete control of our mind, we are going to become a positive personality and we are going to eliminate negative emotions from our mind. This single decision will result in our complete transformation. One more very important thing here, that just as physical health can be attained with training and practice, mental health can also be achieved with training and practice. And that is what we are going to look into, that which are the 5 key factors which result or which help us in developing a positive personality. First factor in this regard is positive self-talk. Friends, day and night thoughts keep going on through our mind, thoughts keep flowing through our mind, and via those thoughts we talk to ourselves. These thoughts are just like rivers which continuously flow through our mind. These thoughts can be negative, these thoughts can be positive. And let us be very clear that 95% of the emotions that go through our mind or that are there within us, they depend upon the kind of thoughts that flow within us. These thoughts are called the inner dialogues. Let us understand that our mind is just like a garden in which we need to plant flowers, we need to plant good trees, and if we don't, weeds will grow automatically without us putting any effort at all. So, negative thoughts come by default because all around us there is a lot of negativity. If you are with negative people, negativity will flow in. If you are watching negative programs on TV, negativity will flow in. But there is hardly any source of positivity. So we should make deliberate efforts to convert this inner dialogue, that self-talk, from negative to positive. Many of us might be thinking that no, we are positive people. If you think so, it is my humble request that you take a test, and I feel if we take a test, 95% of us will fail and it will prove that we are negative and our inner dialogue is negative. What you do is you switch on to YouTube, find out any video which has positive affirmations, you run through 10 to 15 positive affirmations, and then you ask yourself an honest question: does my mind, does my inner dialogue agree with what I have just heard? Is that the way I think about myself? And you will be surprised, out of 8 out of 10 thoughts will be just the opposite of what you heard in those positive affirmations. Second key to the positive personality is that we should avoid negative people. We should surround ourselves with positive people. Friends, the kind of thoughts that flow into our mind, our self-image, the images that run through our mind day and night, all these things are greatly influenced by the kind of people who surround us, the kind of people with whom we work, the kind of people with whom we live, the kind of people with whom we talk, the people with whom we associate throughout our day. We are the sum total of 5 people with whom we spend most of our time with. So we should be very clear. We cannot afford to have negative people in our lives. Let us be very clear that at any cost we are going to remove negative people from our lives so that we have positive impact, we have positive feedback from all the sides, and we think positively and we grow in our lives. Third factor here is that we should feed our mind with positive mental diet. Now, what positive mental diet here is, we should read good books. Whatever books or articles or magazines we read, they should be good, they should be motivational, they should be inspirational. We should have something to learn from them. Secondly, good mental diet will also come from positive people, the people who love us, the people who care us, the people who don't put us down, the people who stand by our side, who always motivate us, who take care of our feelings and our emotions, who respect us. So we should surround ourselves with such kind of people. So if we are surrounded by good people, positive people, and we read good books, we watch good and positive and motivational videos rather than watching news and other negative programs, that will be the positive mental diet, and that will help us to develop a positive personality. Fourth point is positive training and development. Friends, you might have seen in your day-to-day life that whenever you learn something new and you know that it is going to help you in the long run, even before you could implement it in your life, that starts giving you happiness. So the more you learn, the more you feel happy and good about it, because it is said that formal education will make you a living, self-education will make you a fortune. So if we keep on learning, we keep on growing, that makes us more confident, we become more influential in our industry, in whichever field we are working in. We earn more, we become more and more confident, people respect us, and that converts us into a more and more positive personality. Last but not the least, good physical health is a very important factor that keeps us positive. If we are sick, we are suffering through some serious illness, even if we have everything in life, we will be demotivated, we will be broken down. If we are strong, we will be able to fight stress, we will be able to fight fatigue, we will feel strong, motivated and confident. So these are the 5 very important keys to a positive personality. If we implement these in our lives, it will completely convert us from the negative mindset to the positive mindset, and it will completely transform us, and our life will change for better. So if you feel this session has been of help to you, it is a request. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and share this video with your family and friends so that they also benefit from it. And once again, thank you so much for being with me and for watching this video and for sparing your valuable time to watch this video. Thanks a lot. Best wishes to you. Bye-bye.